Hi, Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project, and in this reflection, I'll be talking about how we know what students have learned and retained after a lesson. So in this particular lesson, which was on defining translations, after all the activities and all the learning had taken place, I basically got students together in pairs, and they worked together in pairs to create these thinking maps. So in this case, a bubble map. The purpose being just to brainstorm everything that they knew or remembered about translations. So the way the activity went basically was to have the students get together in pairs, and then they would take turns one at a time writing something that they knew about translations. So you can see there's two different handwritings on here, and the various things that the students said. Translations keep isometry, translations are transformations. Each point on the pre-image has the same slope to its point on the image. It's also called a glide. You learn about it in geometry. I think that was probably towards the end when they were running out of things to say. Shapes are cool. I'd say the same for that. The image is identical to the pre-image, and all points on the pre-image are the same distance to the points on the image. So in that brainstorming process, just kind of in glancing at this, it's clear that all the main points that I wanted students to get out of the lesson are actually incorporated right here on the thinking map. And this is something that students came up with, just sitting there by themselves, no resources, just each other. So this is one way to assess, kind of the success of the lesson. All right, Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project, signing off.